Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name in Veed IO. So, if you want to change your name and want to present a different name to others, this is the video how you can do so. First of all, open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to Veed IO. Now, log into your account. On the top right hand corner, there's your profile. Click on your profile and then go to account settings. You can see that the name is clearly written there. So go ahead and click this pen icon and remove your name. After you remove your name, write down another name and click save. This way your name will be changed and your account info's name will be changed as well. I hope this video about how you can change your name in Veed IO was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.